Hello students, welcome to your video class. Today in your electrical drawing class we are going to discuss about auto transformer starter. How to draw the circuit diagram of a auto transformer starter. An auto transformer starter is used to decrease the applied voltage to a motor throughout its beginning. When big motors are used for a long time in the circuit, then a voltage drop may occur. So, they can lead to damage to the electrical equipment which runs on a similar supply line. We know that both the voltage and the current is directly proportional to each other. If we reduce the voltage supply, then automatically the current of the beginning will be reduced. So, the voltage can be reduced by different methods. Here we are using electric motor, reduce the input voltage given to electric motor by using a auto transformer starter. However, such starters are providing output. In general, auto transformer tapping can be arranged in between 50% to 80% voltage. The starter of this auto transformer doesn't need difficult cabling because it is allied to more through 3 terminals simply. Here you can see auto transformer starter is very suitable for both the star and delta connections of the motor. In this method, the starting current is limited by using a 3-phase auto transformer to reduce the initial starter's applied voltage. Here the given figure shows the connection of a starting of a squirrel cage induction motor with auto transformer starter. Here you can see this part is the rotor and these three are the starter windings. Next here this part shows the auto transformer starter, 3-phase auto transformer shows these parts. Next here you can see this is the handle of the starting and these are the switches, the running switches and starting switches. Here you are giving the supply. Next, further we are going to discuss about the drawing. After latter portion of this video, I will show you how to draw this circuit diagram of a auto transformer starter. Auto transformer starter can be used with any squirrel cage induction motor supplied through taps of the 3-phase auto transformer starter. In this type of starter, motor is directly connected to the secondary of auto transformer. The taps provided on auto transformer limit the starting voltage and supply motor in steps of 50%, 65% or 80% of a nominal voltage. Using auto transformer for starting purpose, the line current is always less than the motor nominal current. Next, we will going to discuss about how to draw a diagram of a auto transformer starter. In this session, I will show you how to draw the circuits of a auto transformer starter. Let's draw the diagram of the auto transformer starter. First of all, we will draw the starter windings of the starter which is connected in star connection, and then we'll draw the rotor of the starter. Here we are going to draw the starter winding of the auto transformer starter. This diagram shows the squirrel cage induction motor with the auto transformer starter. Here I am drawing the windings, starter windings which are connected in a star connection. Then we will draw the rotor, then we will draw the switches, and three-phase auto transformers are connected to the switches. We will draw, then we will draw we will connect it to the supply. A auto transformer starter with necessary arrangements such starters are consist of auto transformers with necessary arrangements. At the time of starting, a reduced voltage is applied across the motor through the tappings. Here in the diagram we will also show the tappings, and the motor gets a lower starting voltage according to the selection of the tappings. The motor also draws less starting current and develop less starting torque accordingly. When the motor attains 80% of its normal speed, auto transformer are cut out of the fully voltage. Here in the diagram we will draw the starting switches and the running switches. These switches are making the changes, making contact, start or run. Maybe it may be type of air brake for small motors or oil elements for large motors to reduce the sparking. Most of the auto starters are provided with 3-step tap to reduce the voltage. This is the tapping, and here I am drawing the switches which is connected to the starting portion and running portion, running switches. This is the handle which represents to which on button, we can say push button, and then we will draw the 3-phase auto transformer part, and the tapping are provided above the portion of the diagram. Let's continue with this diagram.